Digital marketing is scam. Let's talk about it for a minute. I got scammed. You hear that a lot these days, right? But let's take a moment to really think about what that really means. I've done countless trainings, invested in courses that didn't give me the results that I expected. And yes, it's easy to call it a scam when you feel disappointed, but here's my take on it. Not every program or course will work for you, and that's okay. I've learned that even from the most disappointing experiences, there's always something valuable to take away. Maybe it's a new strategy, a different perspective, or even just learning what not to do. If you label everything as a scam, you close yourself off from opportunities. Success isn't just about finding the right product. It's about taking 100% responsibility for your actions. Did you apply what you learned? Were you consistent? Often it's not the product that failed. It's the lack of consistent action. Now, is digital marketing a scam? Absolutely not. Digital marketing is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as how you use it. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about learning, applying, and growing your skills consistently. Yes, there's garbage products out there, no doubt, but don't let a few bad experiences make you think that every opportunity is a scam. With the right mindset and effort, you can find real success. If you're ready to take control of your success, work 2 hours a day and follow a step-by-step instruction, our digital marketing interactive program offers proven strategies, mentorship, and everything you need to make it work for you. If you're willing to put in the effort, of course. So comment ready for more info. And remember, success starts with a mindset. Don't let your fear of scams hold you away from your goals and dreams.